Live well and work well is the guided philosophy of Mac Estate, which inspired them to create differentiated working and living experience in commercial and residential segment. Mac Estate is a real estate development arm of Max Group. Established in 2016, Mac Estate aspired to build sustainable commercial and residential development in Delhi and NCR, which focus on well-being. Hello everyone, I am your property consultant Parina Gupta from Realtors Property. Today I am at Mac Estate 128, which is based on Expressway, and it has a direct connectivity with Jewar Airport. If you talk about the near about proximity, so it is 20 to 25 minutes drive for Connaught Place, less than 2 minutes drive for Amity University, and 10 minutes drive for DLF Mall of India. It is a 10-acre land parcel with 7 acres of open green. Now you can connect me with my statement which I gave in the starting of the video: live well and work well. The developer is coming with 4 towers, out of which 3 were launched in July 2023. Total apartment will be 265, again out of which 205 have been launched in July 2023, and I guess you will not be surprised to know that all are sold out. The 4th tower will be launching soon. We have height of 36 floors, and on each floor you will get 2 apartments and 4 lifts will be there, including 1 service lift. We have only 4 BHK, which is available in 2 sizes, 4500 square feet and 5200 square feet. The best part is you will get walk-in closet with each apartment in all rooms. Not only in the master bedroom, but in all the rooms which you get in this apartment, we have a walk-in closet. You will get fully loaded kitchen and marble flooring in lobby area, in kitchen area, in dining area, and the wooden flooring in your bedrooms. With each apartment, you will get 2 car parkings. The best part is clubhouse and the sports complex will be separate. You will get 35,000 square feet size clubhouse by the name The Hub, and the sports complex including outdoor and indoor game both with the size 11,000 square feet. The surface will be traffic free as all the car movements will be in the basement only. Max is a brand which works for hospitality and community welfare. They work on the pillar of well-being, which talks about environmental harmony, peace of mind, food and nutrition, inclusivity, and so on. They focus on their outer facade, which is of the red brick concept, which gives contemporary and aesthetic glance to the building. If you want to ask anything about Mac Estate or their upcoming development, you can freely contact on the number given below. Signing off for the day, your property consultant Parina Gupta from Realtors Property. Thank you so much.